Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium. Today we will see how ChatGPT works, what are the key features, how we can utilize it in our Shopify dropshipping or any case of live development, or basically for developers, for non-developers. So we'll write 5 queries. The first query is write a code in C++ for adding two numbers till infinity. So the first code is this we asked for. So it's basically there's an opposite to represent infinity as a numerical value in computer program. However, there are certain techniques. Okay, so we need the code from him, from ChatGPT, adding two numbers to infinity. So this is basically the code by him. Okay, now we'll ask for write code of pyramids stars as output in Java. So it will result the star in a pyramids in output in Java. The code is this, writing by ChatGPT. This is live online tool. ChatGPT, you see that it's the problems solved in seconds that were not solvable in hours by the beginners. So this is basically ChatGPT. Now we will ask for a website, a dynamic website. So it's also showing the output. So you see. Okay. Now we'll ask for write a code in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP of one page static website on cooking. So now we'll see that will it be able to provide us HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP, including database code file for cooking website. So basically it's thinking now ChatGPT. So this is, it depends upon post. Sure, here's an example of static one page cooking, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. So it's writing the HTML page for us, and also giving us instructions that add your CSS styles here, inline styling. So it's also doing the CSS here in HTML. So building up the navigation and then the main body. So you see it's giving the buttons, margins, box shadows. So now ChatGPT is creating a website for us, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. Sorry. So now it's connecting to the database and retrieve a list of principles. It's also giving us the database file that needs to be added inside the HTML file. And now it's writing the cookies, the cooking recipes, codes for us. Okay, it has created one single file of index.html. Here is an example of one page, static one page website on cooking using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. So here you see we got the exact solution, and now we'll ask for complex code. Write a code of creating one page, one product dynamic e-commerce website in BigCommerce. So now see how ChatGPT response. Will it be able to create one product dynamic e-commerce website in BigCommerce or not? Okay, BigCommerce is a platform building e-commerce website that provides a range of tools. Okay, it's saying you have to sign up and follow the steps. And these are the files: BigCommerce API and PHP. So these are the commands we have to use in order to connect our own API credentials, and then we have to set up the API client, and after then we have to create a new product, and after creating the new product we have to give it price and type a name and then try it, and if the exception handling works it will create a new product physical, and then we'll give it a price. So this is basically note that this is a simple example, and there are many other options and features available when creating products on BigCommerce. You can find more information. Okay, this is very simple but answer and of complex answer by us on BigCommerce. Now we'll ask for how to start Shopify dropshipping in how to start Shopify dropshipping business with no money by Ecom Premium. Now we will see from where the information is getting by ChatGPT. Does he know Ecom Premium or not? And does he know about Shopify dropshipping business with no money by Ecom Premium? Does this thing exist on internet? Programming Shopify with no money is possible, but it requires some efforts and planning. Here some steps. Dropshipping business with no money: niche, find supplier, set up your store, and then the fourth step is add products to your stores, and then the fifth one is promote your store, and then the sixth one is know that while it is possible to start dropshipping business with no money upfront, you still need to invest time and efforts. Yes, that's basically the exact answer ChatGPT gives us. Now we'll ask for what is Ecom Premium. Now we'll ask for it. What is Ecom Premium? And we'll have an idea from where the information ChatGPT is getting. Maybe some little bit idea from Google APIs, from Google. I'm sorry. Is it possible that you may misspell the name of so that I'm not aware? With more context, is it possible for me to provide any further information? Ecom Premium SMC private. So he really don't know. I'm amazed. Ecom Premium SMC private limited. So now see what does ChatGPT gets. I'm sorry, was to know information about Ecom Premium. That company is a product that are widely known. Okay, we'll start with www. Now I hope he'll definitely open this up and write the metadata provided by us on our website with SEO. So I hope we'll get. I'm sorry, but I don't have BigCommerce.com and more. For any further information, you can use search engine. Will find out more about it. Okay, I hope you guys understand, and this is how ChatGPT works. Thank you so much. If you like the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube Ecom Premium. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.